Hi, welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for April 19, 2024, featuring Mars and Saturn before sunrise, an evening Leo moon, and an imminent Jupiter-Uranus conjunction. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. In Chicago, sunrise occurs at 6:03 a.m. Central Daylight Time, followed by sunset at 7:37 p.m. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky, early risers can catch the gibbous moon near the west-northwest horizon at 2 hours before daybreak. Mercury, Venus, Mars, and Saturn are west of the Sun and potentially visible in the eastern sky before sunrise. The two inferior planets, Mercury and Venus, named because they are closer to the Sun than Earth, are hiding in bright morning light. They rise less than 30 minutes before the Sun. In that bright morning twilight, Mercury passes Venus this morning. Because of these lighting conditions, the conjunction is not visible. Mars and Saturn are in the east-southeast at 45 minutes before the Sun rises. At this hour, Saturn is nearly 10 degrees above the horizon. It is marginally visible at this level of twilight. Mars is 5.6 degrees to Saturn's lower left and 5 degrees above the horizon. Because the red planet mixes with the prismatic hues of morning light, a binocular is needed to see it. Mars is marching eastward and widens a gap with Saturn. In 1 to 2 mornings, the pair is too far apart to fit into the same field of view. In the evening sky, the bright gibbous moon, 87% illuminated, is about halfway up in the southeastern sky. It is in front of Leo for a third evening, nearly 20 degrees to Regulus's lower left and over 10 degrees to Denebula's lower right. The lunar orb reaches the full, pink, moon phase on the 23rd at 6:49 p.m. CST. Bright Jupiter is low in the west-northwest. It moves eastward in front of Aries, over 10 degrees below the Pleiades star cluster, part of Taurus. The Jupiter-Uranus conjunction occurs tomorrow evening, but the event is degraded by the increasing moonlight that washes across the sky, dimming fainter stars, and Jupiter's low altitude. When celestial bodies are near the horizon, they are dimmed and blurred by the air. This effect makes the Sun and Moon look redder, orange, and dimmer than when they are higher in the sky. The accompanying chart in the online article shows Jupiter, Uranus, and starfield behind them in an idealistic view. With Jupiter at the center, considerably dimmer Uranus is to the upper right. The planet is dimmer than Delta Arietis, but brighter than 53 Arietis and 54 Arietis. Jupiter sets less than 2 hours after sundown. The bright moon appears to move westward from Earth's hourly rotation. Tomorrow morning, find it above the western horizon at 2 hours before sunrise. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.